Hey, Victory and Med here again. Thank you for your trust in us and UpReachr so far. However, please give me 2 minutes of your time because what I have for you today is critical to your success with influencer traffic. Did you know that influencers will hate you if you do this one thing? And you probably will do this one thing. What's that one thing? Let me explain. So you're probably wondering, whoa, what's going on? Why are you scaring me like that? You may also be wondering if what I say is true, and unfortunately it is. I don't play the hype game. Here's the thing. Influencer traffic is great, but it comes with certain roadblocks, which the majority of we fixed in the main version and the Pro. However, there is one main roadblock that remains that we simply couldn't let slide, and that is delivering the promotional content to influencers so the deal will kick off faster. Because one huge mistake everyone makes is trying to get the influencers, especially the low and mid-level ones, which are the most affordable and the lowest hanging fruit, and asking them to figure out how to promote your product. You have to come prepared with all the content and videos and things you need for the promotion, or you will lose on a lot of deals. Because the truth is, influencers hate working hard. They are lazy. They may be inexperienced with this, and it's not your job to question it. Your job is to get traffic in the easiest way possible. Think about their point of view. Can you imagine them having to create 10, 20, maybe 30 promotions per month, sometimes multiple times per day? Some of them have their own unique way of promoting to their audience, but they're bigger influencers and far more expensive, and they are also the minority. The majority are just people with good engagement and fans, the low-hanging fruit, those that send you 1,000 targeted clicks for a few bucks. Those are the one you want, and they just want to send you traffic and you just want to receive it. This means the video for their promotion must be delivered by you and fast. And videos are the best form of content to deliver to influencers. They convert better, they engage better, they build trust better, and statistically, they are the best form of content for influencer deals. Let me paint you a scenario. Imagine there are 2 deals. Deal number 1 is where you're asking the influencers to work with you. All is good and well, and then you start deciding how the promotion will look like. What kind of video? Who will create it? What's the best angle? You'll end up discussing a bit, and in some cases, the influencer will lose interest and stop communicating with you. But let's say they don't. What happens then is that you've spent possibly days or even over a few weeks to start the process. Now, imagine scenario number 2, where you use our templates, contacted the influencer, they responded ready to roll. You simply send them a video you have ready, which is perfect for the promotion, and voila, the traffic starts rolling. That is the power of speed in marketing. The best deals are when you deliver the video for their promotion. You get way better clicks, engagement, and interest in your offers across all promotions. It's no rocket science. If they hate working, if they're lazy, if they want fast money, and you want fast traffic, then you got to deliver everything. And videos just happen to be the best media for them. This way, the entire process becomes smooth, fast, and easy. The traffic comes in fast, the sales come fast, you scale faster, you learn faster. Everything is better that way. There are, however, 3 main problems with creating videos that influencers love. The first problem is figuring out what types of videos work best and how they should look and feel. So the first problem you'll face when trying to deliver videos to influencers for the deal is, well, what could be the best types of videos to use? How do they look, feel? What are the elements they have? Are they boring? Are they like commercials? Are they animations or doodles? That's something you need to know, and we know, and this upgrade is the fix to this problem. Problem number 2, figuring out and learning how to create these videos quickly and effortlessly. Now, let's say you recognized the best types of videos and how they should look. Now you need to find and buy a few softwares until you figure out how to create them, because manually creating won't happen, and you know it. I know it. It's too hard. It's confusing, and it's a huge learning curve. Problem number 3. Getting support from sellers that understand influencers' traffic versus random video sellers. Now comes the biggest problem. Let's say you found the most amazing software that creates the best videos for influencers. However, the software creator doesn't know anything about influencers. So when you submit a support ticket and need influencer-specific help, they can't help you. Well, of course, this is one of the biggest benefits of this package. We know our influencers' traffic. We are the creators of UpReachr. We spent $40,000 to develop UpReachr, and we're also the creators of this amazing video package. Connect the dots, and you see the value here, right? Introducing FX Visual Clips Influencer Edition. FX Visual Clips allows you to create mouth-watering videos in minutes that influencers love to explore every single deal. It's a state-of-the-art cloud-based software that creates studio-level, conversion-focused videos that influencers will love. It comes packed with dozens of powerful features allowing you to create the perfect social media videos. You can create high-converting, mouth-watering, and alive videos that influencers love without ever having any previous experience. And yes, the videos fit influencers' traffic too. We have templates and features with social and influencer-specific templates. Because you see, influencers want a few specific things when it comes to getting the videos for the promotions. They want high-quality, studio-level, and professional videos that work well in social media. Therefore, you need a high-quality, studio-level video creator with social media elements. The same elements that make a video go viral or get loads of likes, shares, and clicks, or get comments. It's called the social element, and your video creator probably doesn't have it. But our software creates videos that influencers love, that gets loads of clicks and attention, that speeds up the entire process, and that has social media elements built in. And the beauty is that this is our in-house video software, which means that you get the software from the same person who makes the influencer software, which means you can get support and help from experts in the video and influencer traffic fields. It comes packed with features. You can check out the entire gallery down on the page, but to name a few, it comes with a state-of-the-art drag-and-drop video creator. You get social media video templates, influencer video templates. You get revamping features to turn any video into a video that your influencers will love. You'll also get easy upload and imports. You can actually turn any existing product page into a profit-pulling sales video in 5 minutes. A smart video resizer and reshaper. Create video based on just a keyword. Break down a video into GIFs and thousands of customizable templates. And to top it all off, you get unlimited updates and a commercial license. And this is just 10% of the power of this software. FX Visual Clips is like easy Photoshop for videos for a fraction of the price. And with UpReachr, this makes for a powerhouse. Because this isn't just a video software, it also solves the biggest influencer problem you're about to face unless you get this software. FX Visual Clips integrates with all the social media platforms your influencers are at. Create videos and publish them everywhere with just a click of a button. It's that simple. But wait, that's not all you get for today only. You also get this huge bonus: 90 DFY plug-and-play social media videos. Just send to influencers and get traffic. It's super easy now that you'll have them because, as we said, money loves speed, and this is fast. These 90 DFY videos are actually an original upsell for $47 for FX Visual Clips, but you get it for free today if you snag FX Visual Clips upgrade today. So make sure you don't delay and snag this powerful, helpful, and awesome upgrade right now. And don't forget, you're covered by our 100% refund policy, which allows you to test this risk-free. So let's go get you those crazy results and swarm you with targeted traffic, leads, and of course, sales in the easiest and fastest way possible. Grab FX visual clips and the 90 DFY videos now. We'll speak to you soon, and I'll see you on the inside.